you doing? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Miss Kinyua for those of you who are new. So today I am doing a house hunting, or rather I'm just going to view a house. A friend of mine is moving from Vika Road to our Waiyaki way, and she is convincing me to move into the house that she has found, and that is what I will be doing. I am going to view the house and see whether it's worth moving into, and she has adamantly refused to appear in my vlog, but it's okay. And again, that explains my bare face. I know I look funny, but it's okay, yes, that explains my bare face. You don't go looking for a house with the sun all glammed up. So let us go and see whether the house is worth moving into. Yes, please comment on the comment section below about how you see the house. Is it worth moving into? Should I move into it, or should I not? And this is the entrance. Right after you enter the house is the sitting room. Quite spacious. I'm in love. That is the sitting room. From this angle, that is the sitting room. Then beside the sitting room is the kitchen. It's an open plan kitchen. Wow, it's beautiful and it's spacious. Those are the cabinets to the kitchen, the countertops and the cabinets, more storage area for you. Wow, I love the tiling in this house. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Then there are these storage areas. You can even keep your car trolley in here. Yes, the storage spaces are a lot. So the kitchen will be so tidy. And then right outside the kitchen is the balcony, not as big, but it's enough. There are children playing over there. So that is the sitting room, the kitchen, and then on your right, on your left is the first bedroom with the washrooms in here and the shower. Wow. And the first bedroom, quite spacious. And the cabinets, wardrobes. So that is it. Let us go to the second bedroom. Right after the second bedroom is the second washroom. Washroom to the next bedroom. All the bedrooms are master and suites. So that is it. Love the washroom. And the sink and the mirror. I don't want that. And then the last bedroom. Wow, the lighting is amazing. So that is the other bedroom. Wow, I love it. And the wardrobes over there with some cabinets inside. Let me open for you. Entrance to the house. On your left, there is this veranda or walk through, whatever you want to call it. And here is the kitchen. with this beautiful countertop and cabinets. And then there is this extra countertop and storage over there. And then there is that. So that is the kitchen. It is quite smaller than the other one. Then from the kitchen is this sitting room with that large window over there and another small one, and another small mirror over there, not mirror, window. And those beautiful light fixtures over there, though I think you could change them. Don't mind the noise, the house is near a road. So that is the sitting room. And then from the sitting room on your left is your first bedroom. Wow, I love the lighting in this bedroom, but it's quite small compared to the other ones. But what do you think? Yes, it's quite small. Yes, that is the closet with me over there. But the closet is quite spacious. Spacious. So that is our first bedroom. From the first bedroom is the common toilet or washroom and the shower. It is quite spacious too. Then the next washroom, the washroom to the next bedroom, that one over there. And then our last bedroom. That large window over there, and the paint is not bad, not bad. With the closets over there, both the bedrooms have big closets. So from there, let us go to the third house. So this is the sitting room. That is the sitting room. It has that large window, and that is the door to the house. That is the sitting room. And then there is the kitchen here, because the house is an open plan kitchen with these beautiful cabinets over there. Space, and then there is the balcony here. Quite big. And then there is the first washroom there with that mirror. and the first bedroom. And the paint on the wall is quite awesome. And then there is this beautiful wardrobe with that mirror over there. And inside it has those cabinets. Then we go to the second bedroom, and here is the toilet or the washroom with a shower over there. With that sink and that mirror. And then the bedroom. Ni sawa? Now that you have seen the house, what are your views or what are your thoughts about the house? Myself, I have loved it. I have loved it. The house is spacious. The rooms are so spacious, and there is a borehole on site though, so there is plenty of water, and there is security, and the apartment is not very far from the road, so the area is accessible at any time of the night, all day. But myself, I didn't get one since I was looking for a one-bedroomed house, and they only have two-bedroomed houses. But it's okay. I will still find one that suits me next time, maybe in another apartment. But my friend will be living there, so I will be visiting. And if you want the house, they still have plenty of rooms available. The house is in Waiyaki Way in Kinyua. So if you are interested in the house, you can DM me on my Instagram account at Kinyua, or email me at kinyuaester95@gmail.com. Thank you for watching this vlog. Have an amazing day, all evening, all night, whatever time you will be watching this vlog. Bye.